Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be decluttering my entire kitchen. It's a dreadful sight to walk in the kitchen with your counters filled with unused or broken stuff that you have yet to discard. So keep watching the full video to know what things you could declutter from your kitchen. Are you guilty of keeping medicine cups and spoons whenever new medicine comes to your house? You actually don't need all of them. You can just keep 2 and throw away the rest. We all heard fewer is better. Every time we have empty jars, most of us tend to keep them to use them later to store something. But we really don't use them all. They just take a lot of extra space in our kitchen. We have utensils that don't come to use as we do not even know what they are for. So they are just there taking up space in a lot of our drawers. Think of letting them go. Sort out your cups that are broken or chipped or even impossible to drink in. Don't let them stay in, better to give them away to a needier person. Every time we get an ice cream or a dessert, nobody throws the spoons away, we wash them and keep them. I am going to get rid of those today. How many of us have plastic containers without lids or lids without their containers? We just keep them in the hope of finding the remaining, but it is useless to keep them anymore. Unmatched bowls that we keep in the hope of finding their match someday increases clutter. We tend to keep chipped bowls as well just because of its emotional value. It's time you let it go. Non-stick pots and pans that have lost their coverings over time can be unsafe for further use. As soon as they lose their covering, it gets toxic or poisonous. You need to let them go as well. We all have prescriptions lying around the house, mostly our kitchens. Better to make a folder and keep them somewhere safe. Even check the expiry dates on your medicines at home every month so you know what to keep and what to put in the trash. And every 2 weeks, check your fruits and vegetables so that we know they are not soft or rotten so we can keep them or throw them away. Sort out your confectionery items that has gotten stale over time or things that nobody eats anymore. You should give them away, throw them away if they aren't edible anymore. Check your spices and canned goods every month to make sure they are not getting expired anytime soon or getting small food insects in them. Bottles that you're not going to use anymore or has lost their lid or are spoiled. We need to discard them because this adds to clutter. We all have appliances that might not be in working condition, but we've kept them to be fixed later. Is it even right to do so? We are just cluttering up our kitchen with stuff that are not needed. I hope this video would have helped you guys. Bye bye for next time.